Hey G Squad, and welcome back. So happy to be posting my first video of the new year. I hope you guys are having an amazing day when you're watching this, and I hope your new year is off to a great start. Thank you for my returning family members, and thank you for our new family members, y'all. We've grown by, I think, 40, 50 plus subscribers, so kudos to us. But in any case, I'm showing you today how I made these biscuits from scratch. It was something that I've always wanted to do, so I finally got around to doing it. So let me show you how I created these. Okay, beautiful people. So let's get started with making these biscuits. So I have some butter here. This is unsweetened butter. I just happen to have that in the house. If I had salted butter, I would have used that as well. And then the milk that I'm using, I have this Friendship Light Buttermilk. Then the flour is the self-rising flour. And the good thing about using the self-rising flour is that there's two ingredients you don't have to worry about adding because it's already included in there, which is the salt and baking soda. However, if you don't have self-rising flour, say you have all-purpose, then you just add your own baking soda and salt, okay? And then everything is going to be combined in this bowl. And then this is my mat that I'm going to use to, knead the dough on and stuff and to catch the flour. And so also, if you are a newlywed to the kitchen, welcome. There are two different types of measuring cups for your liquid and your dry ingredients. So as you can see, I have my liquids in this glass measuring cup, and then this Tupperware style cup is for the dry ingredients. And then in this bowl, I'm just going to use that to add my flour and stuff. And then one thing I don't have is a sifter for the flour, but if you have like a strainer, which you're going to see in the next clip, I'm just going to add my flour to that, and that's just going to serve as my my sifter. And so now I'm just going to gather some of my missing tools, which is going to be a knife and a spoon, and that's going to help me scoop out my flour. And then the knife I'm going to use to remove the excess flour. So you're going to intentionally fill your cup up just a little past the mark, and then you're going to use your knife to kind of shave off the top. And then that extra flour is going to be used to as part of me kneading the dough, as you'll see later on in the video. Okay, so now this is how it looks. It's like nice and crumbly. Okay, so now I'm adding my three-quarter cups get in and start mixing that up. Alright, y'all. So these are the best biscuits right out of the oven. Can you see that honey? Yes. I'll give y'all better. There you go. I'm sorry about the lighting, y'all. Okay, so this is the side with the honey, and this is the side without.